It was a bright morning on the mountain road. A giant blue truck stacked high with boxes of watermelons crawled up the narrow cliffside. The driver, Joe, whistled proudly until, bang! The front wheel dropped into a pothole the size of a bathtub. The truck lurched sideways, melons flew into the air, and Joe shouted, "Not the melons!" As if on cue, a police car came speeding around the bend, sirens blaring. The officer hit the brakes, too late. Crash! The police car smacked straight into the back of Joe's truck. Watermelons burst like green grenades, splattering the windshield in sticky juice. Joe climbed out, waving his arms. "Officer, this is an emergency!" The officer, dripping with watermelon seeds, groaned. "Yeah, no kidding." Before they could think, another truck appeared. This one was hauling steel pipes. The road was too narrow. The driver swerved, lost balance, boom! The pipes rolled off, bouncing down the cliff like giant metal sausages. Sparks flew as one pipe clanged into the police car. The rescue team finally arrived with a crane, shouting, "Don't panic, we'll save you." They hooked cables onto Joe's tilted truck and began pulling. Everyone cheered until the crane's rope snapped. The crane jerked forward, smashing nose first into the police car. Another massive crash echoed through the canyon. Now the scene looked like a carnival gone wrong. Trucks dented, melons everywhere, police car flattened, steel pipes rolling, and the rescue crew buried in fruit. Then came the finale. A rescue helicopter swooped in, but its blades created such strong wind that the remaining melons blasted into the sky. Some smashed on helmets, others bounced off hoods, and one even landed perfectly inside the police car through the broken window. For a moment, silence. Everyone just stood there, dripping with juice, from a chicken that had somehow joined the chaos. Then Joe sighed and muttered, "Next time,